Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a whole 50th anniversary set of stuff. So this is for if you're having somebody who's 50th anniversary. And so it comes with, this is here is a tablecloth, and you can kind of see it's gonna say happy 50th anniversary on there. So I'm just gonna fold this back up here. So it's gotta be somebody who's married for a very long time. And then we have these little stickers here. It's like a sticker, I think. It looks like a sticker, and then I don't know exactly what the sticks are for. Let's figure that out there, but it's nice, little shiny, glittery, happy 50th anniversary. There's a lot of pieces and parts, that's why I'm kind of just separating them out as we go. We got some gold, another gold tablecloth cover. We have some of these things here, which are those little hangy things. So if we want to hang something, I'll open one up here so we can see what it looks like. Show you guys what I'm talking about. So it comes with a little hangy, and so like, oh, I guess they need to be slightly detached to function. So there's that, that. Going around and around and around. But you're getting the idea here what it's going to look like, hopefully, since it's already displaying itself. Okay, so still more. Ha ha ha. Boy. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it'll look like this. See? A cute little curly hangy thing that's gold. So looks cool. So there's that. I'm going to stick that back in the bag here just so I don't lose it. Okay. We have that. I showed you this here. Move the things out. Here's a bigger one, like another tablecloth here with some, looks like it's got some double-sided tape, so you can tape it down if you're doing this thing outside. Let me just make sure, see if there's anything else in there that I might be missing. It's just a gold foil tablecloth type thing, so that is good. All right. Or what is this? Oh, hold on, hold the phone here. Oh, actually it's not. This is a 50th, that's the 5. And then there's the 0 that fell down. It's the 50th balloon. Okay, so there's gonna be the balloon. How cool is that? So that's gonna say 50 on there. And I've gotta pick this up or else my dog's gonna get it. 1 second here. I just have to keep everything off of the ground. Oh, so this is probably another one here. So it's probably 2 sets of those. That's probably what that is. And then we have the tape here to tape it up. We have these, oh, so we're gonna say here, what is this? Oh, these are little signs. Let's see, 50th anniversary. Little signs. This is a whole kit here, so it says, so you have this one here, that one there, happy 50th anniversary. This one here has got like some balloons on it. It's got like a little diamond there. 50 years. Guess that one you can use for anything that's 50 years old. Happy 50th anniversary. This one here is just a festive one. And we still do. I guess that means they still want to be together. Okay. I doubt I'll ever make it to 50 years, but okay, so there's that. Let me put that here. And then these, let's see what are these. Oh, these are little fan things that make this loop out. Let's try one of these. Yeah, it's gonna turn into like a fan. Can I open it? Yes, here we go. I guess somehow like this, it's gonna open up and open up on both sides. So it looks like on the picture. Oh, it's gonna turn into like a whole flower. So you fan it out. I don't know, can you see this thing here? I'll never figure this out here, right here on the camera, but you get the idea. It'll fold out and end up into a flower like right there. So that's what that's gonna do. So you can have a bunch of flowers from there. I'll have to play with that one later to figure that out. We have some more happy anniversary and cheers signs, and then these are the little stands to hold them up with some more tape. And let's see what else we got. We have some little sticky dots, I guess, to hang things up. We have these, very gold, a bunch of gold stuff. Let's see what these look like. It's a lot of stuff in this kit. So, oh yes, just basically a bunch of signs, almost the same kind of things as the other ones here. You got a ring. Oh, it's going to be like a string. You can string it along. So it'll say 50, and then, you know, string them all along, and it'll say, I don't know what that's for. Happy. It's part of the happy. HAPPY, 50th, and then hearts and all that stuff. So we'll string it all onto the string, which it has inside of there, and it has a little needle to thread it with as well. So we've got all that. Man, this doesn't end. And then we have this. I think this is, look at this. I think this is going to be like a hanging tapestry thing. This is like a fabric, vinyl kind of thing. And it is, yes. So this will be like one of those signs. Oh, it comes with paper in it. And it is going to say, oh, sweet, happy 50th anniversary. So you could hang this up and people could take pictures in front of it, or they can, or whatever. And how cool is that? And this is nice and solid. So that's good. Sorry, I just have to fold everything up as I go due to this doggy, which I don't even know where she is. She'll find stuff on the floor, and I don't know how she ends up with it. Okay, and more little, I already had those things, I think, the dots. And then this here is a little, looks like it's a card thing that people are gonna sign. Let's see. So let's see, it says happy 50th anniversary, and then on the other side here, it opens up, and happy 50th anniversary. How cool is that? And everybody can sign it in there, so you just gotta get a Sharpie, and everyone signs it who comes to the 50th anniversary party. So how cool! You get all this stuff. It's like a whole huge set. It's like a whole party in a bag. And you get that stuff, and you're set for your 50th anniversary, or anniversary party that you're throwing. Thumbs up for sure.